What the kumani yakubyo mulune mu
basekeredde ebbanga bagamba Arsenal mayibo nagenda nali siri nnyo wagizi wa Arsenal bagire winnings
okoze bubi
naye munnawe nagendako
oli katuufu oli katuufu kwa Arsenal
wali tuseeko ku Manchester n'olaba
amabeera
kwaseze kabya amaziga tugenda ku Manchester
nange nga Arsenal ekuba Liverpool nange nga ngenda nti
yakubye yasabudde
spicy ninyo wagenda ku Emirates tojja n'ebisaani mukwano Arsenal fans
paka kuwulira bubi
proudly
wagendayo goba bugobi akumane wayire
kuva we nava ku London Emirates Arsenal esabula
satukunda waggulu nya wali tuseeko ku Manchester
ayagala okusiba akapapula 22
So we are having Spice Analysis. As is one of our brand ambassadors, actually, she's one of our few brand ambassadors in Africa and East Africa right now, and we are looking forward to do really great things with you. All will come on board on that 22 team. Welcome.
Thank you so much.
Good morning, members of the press. Good morning. How are you? Is it Ogambachi? Storage?
yeah
Did I get it right?
yeah
Thank you so much for honoring our invite. My name is Wairi. Some people call me the Lion. You could call me the Love Child. I am one half of Necessary Noise. I am 1/3 of East African Bashment crew. But here today, I'm here as the capacity of the CEO of the Blow Agency, which is an agency which has been tasked to carry out the campaign of Spice Diana as the latest 22-bed ambassador, brand ambassador. So I'm proud to be here. Thank you so much for honoring my invite. And we're looking forward to a great partnership together with Spice Diana. Thank you.
Director for 22-bed. I'd like to thank all of you, first of all, in your respective capacities for coming here to cover this event. I'd like to thank the MC for taking the time out to cover the event. Frank, thank you very much for identifying the artist as one of our leading artists in Uganda. I'd also like to thank Wairi, who in his own capacity is a pretty good artist, one of the best in the region. So it's nice to see that you've now become a businessman. And I hope that you continue to work with us to to promote the 22-bet brand, which is a global brand. And lastly, I'd like to thank Spice Diana for partnering with 22Bet in its efforts to become one of the leading sports betting companies in the region, not just in Uganda. As you know, 22Bet is a global brand. Some of you who watch soccer know that 22Bet is affiliated to soccer teams like PSG, Paris Saint-Germain in France. So thank you all very much, and I hope that this partnership is something that could grow both brands. And I would like to wish Spice Dan all the best with her career and all that she does. And I guess now we have no choice but to go to her shows. I'll be there next time. So thank you all very much. God bless.
Head of marketing, I think you had that right. You need to note it down. There has to be at least 3 tables for 22.
Thank you so much. Just 1 minute to afternoon. Good afternoon to you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for always standing with Spice Diana, the media at large. A few of my Spice gadgets here. I want to thank 22Bet for trusting my brand with such a big brand like 22Bet. So, and I'll do my best, and I'll do what I know best to make sure, you know, I promote the brand. And of course, everyone here now, they know what 22Bet means. They know what it does. The Arsenal fans yesterday, I was one of the people that had to
So as the MC, I'm a rich. As the MC, I have allowed you to say that again.
So as an Arsenal fan, as we speak, I'm rich, by the way, because I placed my bets with 22Bet and we have the best odds. So you know what that means. So mukwate bulungi akasente ninamu kubanga nasibye nga nkimanyi kugenda So thank you so much. Let's all keep it 22Bet. Thank you so much. Mwina basebonera nnyabo lulimi olw'ewakamanya nze Spice Diana era nga ndi musanyufu nnyo olunaku olwaleero okubeera nga batongoza okuba brand ambassador wa betting company esinga mu nsi yonna as we speak 22Bet era abasinga okupapulanuza bamanyi kitegeeza okubetinga nga nze omuwagizi kale bateekako wenagenda ku Emirates nze nagenda kupostinga bifaananyi byange kunyumirwa just like other people do naye ne bagamba ndi wa Arsenal ne bagamba naye kale bakuba Arsenal ebiseera ebyo baji kubanga mpulira nswala nange ebifaananyi bijjeyo naye jjo we twakubye Liverpool namunfami nze ndi Arsenal fan
Yesterday you made a post with when you had the 22Bet t-shirt on.
Yeah.
Now to Gamba, Tebatukuba, Mbogenda to Gamba. So your relationship with Arsenal is very unstable.
We are still Klimo courtship.
We know you.
Tuli just emyezi ndozange iri old nga twakwekwana ne Arsenal bambi kati amanyi omukwano nga gutandika omusajja watakwata bulungi odduka. Anyways, so apparently the Arsenal fan olw'ensonga gyo yakubye Liverpool bwe banagikuba nga nvaayo nanyonya so buli yonna mbasaba abatulaba mwenna bw'oba oyagala okusiba akapapula k'osiba omupiira 22Bet ye kampani yokka kati mu Uganda gye twogerako teri ndala ate n'owotuuka time ng'oyagala kuzzaayo akasente ko weesiseemu 22Bet yokka yekikola tulina ka cash baketa cash out cash out ogamba akasogezya akasente kange so it's only 22Bet yokka yekikola ate nga bagaba n'akasente akawererako ddala So as a brand ambassador, Messi Menyo Okola Kone team when the company a single way Mr. Sebi. Thank you so much. Frank, Waire all the way from Nairobi. Thank you for trusting my brand. Looking forward, I'll do my best. Ngenda kola buli kyetaagisa okulaba nga 22 bet etuuka ku buli muntu yenna, buli fan wange, buli fan wa Spice Diana alina okusiba kapapula ke 22 bet.
An online betting company, so we are everywhere. We are on everyone's smartphone. All you need to do to access us is pull out your smartphone, spell what you will receive. Take 22 bet, .UG, ojja kubanga osobola okubanga ofuna 22 bet kuterebwa ku simu yo wenyini.
Facebook yange oba TikTok oba Instagram stories kalingi nokakona mukakutwala direct making sure toyinako VPN kakutwala direct nnyo noba nga te ofuna 22 bet ndowooza yengeri nyangu ennyo ku simu yo.
Kasita oba ng'olina olubanti smartphone ojja kuba ogifuna typingamu by the way just ku Google oba bw'ateekamu 22 bet bajja kuleetera zonna gwayo Uganda ogifune and all the other countries. Yes, please.
Our offices are located in Bugolori, such a complex. However, waba omuntu yenna nga abaako n'obuzibu bw'afunye ekikwetaagisa kujja ku offices zaffe, so tutuukako ku namba zaffe eza WhatsApp oba customer care oba n'okutusindikira message ku Facebook ku mutimbagano oba Twitter ne Instagram wonna woba ozze. Tuli company ekola online, so ebyo online tubitegeera bulungi. So obuzibu bwonna bw'oba ofunye tulina customer care team yaffe ne wano weeri bakola bulungi nnyo era oba ekintu kyonna ky'oba ofunye basobola okubanga bakikwasaganya mu kiseera eky'amangu okututwala budde bwonna.
Ennyini z'ebirungo kati olumu baseetaga nnyo kunywenywako. Ekyetaagisa promotion. Sinza kale mu bufunze mu njogere yaffe nyangu okulemererwa nnyo noona. Naye ekirimu naye osibwonoona mu bubi obulungi kyova olaba nti olaba beereddene you mix beereddene ojja laba Spice Diana byonna mbikola okulaba nga ntuusa message ntuusa ekintu ekirungi eri faani wange anyumirwa beereddene anyumirwa Spice Diana ate nina ne ttiimu yange ennene nnyo nti buli kyenkola bangattako Team Spice Diana. You can see some of them already buying the dirty shirts, bavuzi ba boda boda, ate wewe kikwatagana ku betting ako kasayidi hustle. So kugamba ebintu tebinkabe bizibu nnyo nga nina ttiimu yange. Then I have you guys, the media, tiwenteekayo akantu. For example, a picture I posted yesterday. The post went viral because buli akalaba akongerayo. So the media, you guys muli bamaanyi nnyo mwebale nnyo buli kenteekayo okulaba nga mukwatirako ebintu ne bitambula. So being birungo, ekirungo kisangibwa buli wamu. Ojasanga katungulu muva ennyaanya toyinza biwoomerwa nga temuli kirungo. Kati nze kirungo everywhere. Trust me, I'll do anything to push the brand 22 bits. To all my fans and every Ugandan out there.
Abuzizza engeri partnership eyo gyetusobola tunasobola okuba promoting a responsible company nti yes kitukwakatako nga company era ne brand ambassador waffe obubaka obw'okusiba n'obwegendereza ajja kubanga amutuusiza ddala bulungi. Yes. Ekibuuzo ekisookeddwako si ffe bali abalala tebatuta 22 bet. Ujja tutegeera mpolampola naye nga tetuli 22 bet. Ebyo byo tetubiraliikirako era tetubisuubira. Tuzze tulina wano tuzze kubeerawo mpaka kuwulira bubi. Tetulina netulaga. N'ekirala ky'obuuzizza eky'omuntu asiba ssente ze nnyingi. Bwe z'oba owulidde tezikuluma gwe teekayo zannye ffe tukuyinaako obuzibu. Oba oyagala tukuba paka kuwulira bubi tukube ne tukuyinaako problem. Sente zetugaba tojja zimalawo naye nga sente zosobola okuwakula paka okutuuka kawumbi. Mpulidde ayitabye esitu
What does it say? The name is Sharon. Yeah, so apart from, so excuse me, apart from being the agency tasked to carry out the campaign, I'm also a big Spice Diana fan. You know what I mean? She's a great artist, she's a great writer, great flow, great performer. So I definitely wouldn't mind looking at possibilities of us working on a project together, definitely. So we already been talking to the team, and you never know what might just happen. I'll tell you one thing for sure. Spice Ghana also has a fan base across Uganda, you know. So fans in Kenya, and we're looking at what we can do in terms of joint projects for projects that will appeal across the whole of East Africa. So don't be shocked if you hear we're flying down to Nairobi to do some projects there with our brand ambassadors. Calligraph and Nadia will come in that side. You never know, endless possibilities. So I'm really looking forward to that.
And just so you know, Mr. Warren, Spice Diana is dating.
Ndoga ne question in Spice yabagambe yebirungo. So she's a Spice, and I believe Ajakubanga brand aditusa wetwetaga benga aditwala buloti nnyo.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. First of all, I want to encourage all of you to encourage the Cranes to win first, so that we can look at football in more detail. And but I think we have, just to go back to your question, we have, as 22Bet, we have had relationships with sports, in particular soccer, with KCCA last year, and of course we're always exploring opportunities in sports, especially soccer, because of its popularity across the country and of course across the world. But for now, I think Spice Diana, she's one of the leading artists in East Africa, maybe even Africa, female artists. I'll have to ask her a bit later where she ranks and how much money she has, then we do the calculation. But she's one of the leading artists. Her brand speaks for itself on social media, what she does, how she sings, and you know, I've heard a few songs, and I hope that when I leave here today, between here and Kampala, I'm going to listen to a few more songs and make sure that wherever 22Bet are, Spice Diana is, and wherever Spice Diana is, there's 22Bet. But since that was the last question, and I bet you didn't know I knew Uganda, but anyway, that's okay. We'll take it from there. But thank you very much for coming. And Spice Diana, thank you so much for collaborating with us. Wairi, thank you. We look forward to the collaboration between you and Spice Diana. Maybe Frank will sponsor it. I don't know, but you'll have to convince us that it works. And thank you all very much. Thank you to MC, thank you to the media, and we look forward to building the respective brands together.
Hey, that is the song you picked out of all the songs. Indirect communication, but it is okay. Right now we're going to have Spice Diana officially sign one of the best female musicians we have in Uganda, East Africa, and Africa, Stargirl Spice Diana, officially the brand ambassador 22Bet Uganda. Yes, then over to our country director, Mr. Cedric, as he signs over the contract. Spice Diana, we're going to sign another one for us, right?
Yeah.
No backing out. She's going to be the what? Brand ambassador Arsenal Uganda. Yeah, Chigare. What we got